Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Ria. I hope you all are doing well. So last video में हमने देखा how we navigated into our Tricentis cloud organization and how we saw how we create our first workspace and navigate to all our workspaces. And we also learned briefly about what ARA is. If you did not understand it, then I will try to explain it again. If there are any questions, please do let me know. So in this video हम देखेंगे how we actually use ARA. Okay. So when you click on this plus button over here after coming on to your home screen, let me just close this. Yeah, this plus button में यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो it says something like ARA test cases. मतलब यहाँ से once you click on create and it will take you to that particular section. Okay, so these are like modules, reusable test cases and everything. So यहाँ से in this workspace you can also change your workspace from here. Okay, if you want to. So we will be using default itself. You can use any other one that you wish to work upon. So यहाँ से when you click on the create button over here, you can see there are different options showing up like module manual, reusable test cases, and ARA test case record. So we will be learning about this. So once you click on this, it will show you briefly what it is about. So see, create a test case with automation recording assistant. Make sure you have installed a launcher. Okay, if you do not have it, you can download it from here and then click through your app to create test steps. You can create image based on manual test steps as well. When you have the recording, we'll create a folder with your test case for that. Just install a launcher. Let us see if we have that. Yeah, it's getting installed, guys. Uh, just wait for it to get downloaded and then open that file. So actually even I am trying this for the first time, guys. So until now I have just learned it but never tried it practically. So if I am making any mistakes here and there, then please do let me know. Okay, just click on install anyway because this is also something new for me. I haven't really worked with cloud before, like Tricentis cloud before. So okay, I think we are done because no, we aren't. Okay, so you we received a pop-up like launcher is now installed. Happy testing. We don't need that proxy, so we are good to close this. And once it is done, you can. Okay, where did that go? Let me create again. Click on this. Okay, we have this installed, so we are good to click on record. So it says just install. Click with this below or trigger the recording again from the quick start section. Okay, we can click on this. The site is trying to open the launcher. Open. Let's see what happens. Okay, a new tab has opened. Check your web browser for activation page and continue there. Don't close this window. Okay, so our code is same. I believe we can click next here. So our device is activated. Now again it's installing launcher. Okay, it was not activated maybe, so now we have activated it and it's going to take some time to install. If you guys want to go and grab a coffee, tea or any snacks or anything, you can go and do that. Okay, so now as you can see, once we have installed it, a new window has opened up which says recording, paused, and verify. So this is your recorder. So when you're working with your Tosca commander, sorry, when you're working with your website, so this will record and create modules accordingly. Okay, so let's just try doing that. Let us record something. So this first button you see, this is to finish record, and this one is to start and stop your record. This one is to add any images. Okay, upload any images. This is to verify. Now verify मतलब जो टोस्का कमांडर में हमने verify जो action mode देखा ना, it will do the same. So if in case आपको कहीं पे कुछ verify करना है, so you'll just select that and open verify and it will do that for you. So this is like going back and front like that, and this one is to save, I believe. Yeah, minimize and close. So right now our recording is paused. I think as soon as you open it, it will start recording. So let us come to this website that we will be using, and यहाँ से I will just simply, okay, let us take this website and open up here only. Just a sec. So I'll open this website over here in my browser, and from here, if you resume the recording, see all these tabs have been enabled for us, and you can see from with my mouse there is some message showing like press Ctrl Shift V to record a mouse over event. So if in case you want to scroll up and down, so you can click on press Control F and V and press F5 to refresh the recording. Okay, so these are some usages. Okay, let's just give a username. We will simply copy paste this one. And sorry, I think it did not take that. Let us delete that. So when you click on it, you see there is a box opening up. Matlab, this is working fine. So let me. Okay, now we will PARD underscore USER. So this is our username, and our password is secret sauce. Now we click on login. See, you can see on your recorder tab, it is clicking, typing your username, typing your password. Okay, let's just put this OK button for now. And then it clicked on login. Close this. Now suppose I want to verify this. So I will just take this. I will just select this one, and I will select this. And how do you verify? Open verify and take this one. Okay. Now this one is verified. You can close your verify and go back here and just add this one to your cart, and then add like verify if this is there. Okay, verify this one. So this is verified, and then close your verify and add this to also to the cart, and then we will click on this one, checkout, like our cart, and we will click on checkout. So see, whatever you're clicking upon, those modules are being created over here. Okay, so यहाँ पे we will just give a random name, like let's just give Virat. Okay, these are just random name, guys. Kohli. And you can give any postal code like 567890, anything. Okay, now, okay, now just drag this something, move that later. Let's click on continue, and then we want to scroll down and we will click on, okay, we will verify the total value. Okay, so I'll click on verify and I will just scan this. Okay, it took the whole table, no worries. Then we click on finish button and uh, we again verify this thank you message. So I will just take this and I will scan this one. Okay, verify checkout complete. Okay, let's just close and click on back home and we will click here log out and we will verify if we have logged out by clicking checking this login. Okay, so we are done and then we will close the tab. Great. So even that should be added here. Now you can pause the recording and there are few steps that I don't want to, like this div. Um, okay, let's see. We will save this. Okay, this is our finish recording. Okay, you can select that and then you can just replay all these steps over here. This button will allow you to save. So we will just save for now. Here, language synchronization, you can update from here. Auto record, mouse over, you can select the show hints, auto save recording. Okay, I think it will be automatically saved. So can I simply close that? So, okay, let's just close this. Okay, we are uploading your recording. So where will that be uploaded? If I come to my workspace again, let me pin this tab. So inside my workspace, if I check this prepare one, this one, I believe, modules. See, all the modules have been saved here and it will show the name. And then we can also see the test cases automatically set. Okay, so now when I run this, it should work fine for me. So I can also add, okay. So yeah, this was all guys. In our next video, we will see further steps, how we run, how we install the runner on our browser, and we will also see what all features we have, like the properties and other details and everything. So I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, then please do let me know in the comment section. Exactly and how it works. I hope this was helpful. Try to practice these on your own. And if you liked the video, then please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for further more videos on this topic. Bye bye. Take care.